Hey team, here's my 2-minute conviction, and that is that humility energizes the people around you. I know it's an old joke, but we don't want to be so proud of our humility that it becomes a self-defeating exercise. The Bible says, "Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the earth." And meekness is this idea of strength under control. And humility, even though the Oxford defines it as having a low opinion of oneself, I think is a really unhelpful definition. Humility is really about recognizing that others are essential in contributing to the whole experience of success, that you alone can't do it without them. And if you could, it won't be as rich and rewarding in the long run. Humility is this sense that you can be self-confident but not arrogant. It's that you don't have it all together. It's that you want to seek the value of others into the project and the team, that you would take responsibility for your own actions, that you understand that there is a shadow or dark side to success if you believe you are solely responsible for generating or bringing about the results. Humble people are filled with gratitude for what they have and not always commiserating of what they don't have. And so when you think about these attributes, humility energizes the people around you. Jim Collins, famed author on the subjects of business and leadership, a researcher and an academic, has discovered that humility is one of those 2 quintessential attributes of a level 5 high capacity leader. And so I just want to encourage you and remind myself, humility, it's not weakness, it's strength under control. It's the recognition that we need others, and it energizes the people around us. I hope you have a great week practicing humility.